Oh yes, the topic of sneaker sizing, it's back. What's good guys, Ash Bash, back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on. Salute to all the subscribers, all the people that jump in and go back and forth with me when I do these videos. This is what I enjoy the most, probably more than just doing my sneaker reviews. So salute to you. Hopefully you've got some more stuff to talk about when it comes to this annoying topic that we're going to cover. So let's go. So I did do a video a while ago about Adidas sizing. Adidas sizing is a joke. I've literally got a pair which are a 9.5, and I've got a pair that are size 11, and the size 11s don't even fit me. They're too tight. So how can I have a model in a 9.5 that fits and a model in an 11 that doesn't fit? It's absolutely ridiculous. And now you have the problem with all these brands bringing out these new sneaker silhouettes, and you're like, don't even know where to begin with what sizing I'm actually supposed to go for. Let's just go for like an obvious one. The Nike 270 that came out, I think it was this year. Pretty sure it was this year. Praise the Lord that I lost all the raffles I entered for the University Gold colorway. That was the fire colorway. I hadn't actually tried on a pair before I ordered them, or I tried to order them on the raffle. Luckily I failed. I eventually went to like JD Sports or whatever, tried on a pair just to see what they were like, if they were comfortable or whatnot. Tried on the UK 10. Super duper snug, like couldn't even get them on properly, killing my feet. I was like, what? Nike is the brand where I know UK 10, true to size, standard, good to go, but nope, that didn't work for me at all. I had to try on a like size 11 for it to actually fit me perfectly. Who knows, a 10.5 might have been fine as well, but I didn't ask for half size. I wasn't trying to buy them anyway, so I'm not going to be waiting around to try on a pair. But yeah, I had to go for full size for that to fit, which is a little bit ridiculous. I don't know why they don't just fit like all Nikes fit. I know you change the silhouette, maybe the material is different to what you usually use, I guess, but it should fit the same as always. Why is it so hard? And as I said, the problem you do get is with new sneaker silhouettes. You had the Nike React Element 87. I think that's the order of the words in the name of that sneaker. But again, I missed out on raffles on those, but I think I was ordering a 10.5 on all the raffle sites. I think that's what I was going for. Who knows if that was what it was supposed to be. The best I could do was like ask people that happen to have seen a pair or tried on a pair maybe and say, what did you think? But when it comes to this stuff, it's usually a bit hit and miss. I've said it before, like some people, they tell you what sizing fits them, but it doesn't work for everybody's feet. It can be a real issue. I still have the problem with Yeezys. I've got a Yeezy in a size 10, 10.5, 11. I've heard people say go up half a size. I've heard people say go up a full size. I've done it all and still none of them fit me perfectly. I think I need to go up a size and a half in Yeezys for them to fit, which is crazy, but is what it is. But I'm just trying to think of what the solution could be to fix all this, because it's hard enough getting a exclusive sneaker as it is. Like those Element 87s, they're gone, long gone. Unless they end up making them sort of a GR like the Epic Reacts, which were kind of limited on release. Unless they do that, I'm never going to be getting a pair, and I'm never going to know what my size in them would actually be. So I've been trying to think of what sneaker companies can even do to sort of sort this problem out. The best thing everyone could do, but it's not feasible and it's not possible, is have it in the store where you could actually try on a pair before it even comes out. So at least you know, cool, I can go to Foot Locker, try them on early. Cool, I know my size, I know what to order, I know if it's worth me queuing up to try them on, because I'm pretty sure if you go for like a queuing system where you waiting in line, they're not gonna let you try on a pair before you buy it. I don't know. None of the times that I've ever done it, that's happened. So you can tell me if I'm wrong, if that actually does happen, but I doubt it would happen. And yeah, waiting all this time to buy a sneaker for it only to not fit you is an absolute pain. Mentioned it, that came up with me recently with the Nike Zoom Fly Off-Whites that I bought, did a review for. I checked previous reviews of other people who had bought the Zoom Flies and they said they fit snug compared to the sort of GR release. So definitely go up like a full size, I think it was, or half size, I can't remember, whatever it was. I listened to them and now they're super duper baggy and a no-go for me. It's annoying. You get excited that you win something and then it doesn't even fit. That is a killer. I can't imagine if I bought something like that I was super gassed about. Well, to be honest, it's actually happened to me. When I got my first pair of Yeezys, the V2s in the black and red colorway, I was over the moon. Couldn't believe that I'd won it. But snug, can't even wear them. Super annoying, and it shouldn't be the case. So either sneaker stores or companies need to get it so you can actually try on a pair before, or they need to actually word it on their website that this fits half a size big, this doesn't fit, whatever. I know Ronnie Fye does that when he does his collabs. He'll say this fits half a size big, so at least you get an idea of what it's going to be like. I know when Nike did their release for the Reacts, the Epic Reacts, I'm pretty sure they said these fit snug, which basically saying to you, if you like a snug fit, go for true to size. If not, go half a size up. I went half a size up and they fit me totally fine. Just either do those two things or somehow just make it so the size is the size. If you measure it in centimeters from top to bottom, if it's 25 centimeters, it's a size 10, for example, make sure that every sneaker that comes out as a size 10 is 25 centimeters. It can't be that hard, surely, but it seems to be, because it seems to be messing up all the time, and it is really starting to grind my gears. Other companies, they seem to have it under wraps, but then again, when I think about these other companies that I mess with, like Saucony, Asics, I generally buy the same model of shoe all the time, so they're probably not going to mess it up too much. Like Jordan 1s have all come out, they've all fit me. I've never had a problem where a Jordan 1 suddenly is super snug. I doubt that's going to happen, but anything new is literally a hit and miss thing. You just got to pray that someone's got an early review out there somewhere and they mention the sizing, but often they don't even mention that, or if they do mention it, they say true to size, and it's like, true to size compared to what? Because certain things ain't the same. Like I've heard people say, yeah, true to size in Yeezys, and it's like, it's definitely not true to size, because I know a lot of people that have Yeezys and they don't rock it the same size as other stuff. So the pain, you can feel the pain. But anywho, tell me your opinions, any solutions you can think of. I know it's super jarring, like, and I feel sorry for people when they get a dope pair of sneakers and they got to do like a sneaker swap, a size swap, sorry, with somebody, and you got to go in the Facebook groups and all that, and it's just a hassle. The next person wants some money on top because they're a grubby reseller. Pain. But anywho, end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. I've got a sneaker review coming up, probably be up tomorrow. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers, links down below, and Twitter's Perfection7. Hit the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload. I'm out. There you go.